So if your printer keeps telling you to install paper in MP tray, it usually means that the wires have pulled off of this sensor here, the little black finger there. The way you can test that is if the machine's powered on and you hold your finger down over this sensor, the tray should, after a couple seconds, start to lift up. If it doesn't move or doesn't do anything when you hold this down, then it means the wires have pulled off the bottom of the sensor. That usually happens because the tray flipped up too far and there's not a lot of wire in there, so it pulls them off. So the way you fix that is you have to pull, you can do this with the tray installed in the machine obviously, but just for easier viewing, you pull this cover off. You need to loosen that Phillips screw, and then this cover will come off. And then you need to feed, there will be wire kind of coiled up in here, and you need to unroute the wire from the little channel there, and you can undo it from that clip, and then you need to push it through the side frame there. And what that lets you do is that if you flip this up, you can now lift the tray all the way up without yanking the wires off of your sensors. So you just are trying to give it some slack here so that you can lift this all the way up. And then what you'll see is one of these two wires usually pull off together, but you're going to need to push the blue wires onto that sensor and the white wires back onto that one. And then once you've done that, you just got to put it back, pull the wires back out of the side and kind of route them back the way they were, and put your cover back on, and everything should work fine.